7 athletes in the semi-final for women in C1 in 500 meters, and only 2 places left in the A final. Let's see who will be the first 3 of each semi-final. Right now it is Vanessa Todt from Croatia in lane 4, who is in the lead, followed by Sperskiewicz from Poland in lane 6, and Rahova from Czechia in lane 2. And these 3 athletes have at least one boat advantage, but of course it's only the first half of the distance. It's already Sperskiewicz from Poland taking over the lead. Todt still in the second, and Rahova in the third position. But let's see if Paula Gomez from Chile in lane 5 can come closer to Todt or Rahova and catch the second or the third position. 200 meters to go, and still Sperskiewicz from Poland in the lead. Todt is the second, and it will be a big battle for the third position. Rahova and Gomez are head-to-head to each other, or maybe Rahova could start her very last finish. And also Todt is strong in the last 100 meters. She is already in the lead, so Vanessa Todt may win the semi-final for women in C1 in 500 meters. But let's see Sperskiewicz, Gomez and Rahova. We will have the top 3 from these 4 athletes, and it's Vanessa Todt. Yes, Vanessa Todt is the winner, followed by Rahova and Gomez, and I think it was Sperskiewicz who came as 4th. It's Ori in the 5th position, Studnitskova is the 6th, and Petriashvili from Georgia has also arrived. Congratulations to Vanessa Todt from Croatia, who won the semi-final for women in C1 in 500 meters. Rahova from Czechia is the second. Gomez from Chile is the third. And they go to final A. And we saw a very sad Katarzyna Sperskiewicz from Poland. She arrived as 4th. So she is out, just like Ori, Studnitskova and Petriashvili.